Some days the news feels like it's moving faster than the market itself. And today is one of those days. From a Swiss bank stepping into internet computer to a Seoul gathering that promises more than cocktails and chatter to a debate about whether meme coins or big tech will define blockchain's future. There is a lot to unpack. Let's get into it. A Swiss regulated bank has just given Internet Computer a serious nod. Amina has added ICP to the assets it provides for custody and trading. It's a move that places ICP in the same frame as more established tokens institutions usually look at. For ICP, this is more than just another listing. The chain has been working to position itself as infrastructure for an open internet, hosting websites, dApps, and enterprise systems fully on chain without relying on traditional cloud providers. Over the past year, its adoption and revenue numbers have risen sharply, with most of its lifetime revenue generated in just the last 3 quarters. Developer interest is growing too, with over 2,000 joining the ecosystem in 2024 alone. ICP has been rolling out tools like ICP Ninja, which uses AI to help developers code faster and upgrades that improve speed, storage, and cross chain integration. The governance system also sets it apart, like token holders get a say in how the network evolves. From Amina's side, offering ICP under Swiss regulations lowers the friction institutions often face in engaging with blockchain. The Divinity Foundation called it a step toward long term value in blockchain infrastructure beyond speculation. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Some point to delays in delivering on promised platforms, and adoption has been slower compared to more mainstream chains. Still, with ICP now sitting inside a regulated bank's custody options, the institutional door may have just opened a little wider. Next, we head to Korea, where Piggycell is about to host a September site event in Seoul. Unlike many casual crypto meetups, this one is being pitched as a structured evening to showcase its roadmap, vision, and community ties. Piggycell operates in the deep-end space where blockchain meets real-world infrastructure. It's carving out a space in South Korea by bridging physical assets with decentralized networks. The event is expected to mix entertainment with deeper project discussion, and every guest is set to receive a surprise element to make the night stand out. For deep in projects, strong community engagement is key, and Piggycell's move to invest in an in person event shows confidence in its strategy and user base. The full venue details are still under wraps, but anticipation among holders and investors is already building. Over to Dominic Williams now, who has sparked debate by contrasting meme coin driven chains with Google's institutional blockchain effort. Google is working on GCUL, the Global Commercial Universal Ledger. It's a Python based chain aimed at finance, from tokenized bank money to 24/7 capital markets. It's tested assets with CME and is setting up for large scale institutional adoption. Williams points out that ICP sits in a different category, with years of research enabling it to function as a secure, decentralized cloud for apps and AI. He suggests that memecoin-heavy networks and corporate-led chains like Google's might end up coexisting, one powered by community and experimentation, the other by regulatory compliance and financial stability. It raises a wider question. Will blockchain split into open networks and corporate infrastructures, or find a way for both to thrive side by side? In other news, GoldDAO and Xfusion have launched a new token that blends Bitcoin and gold into one digital asset. The project, called Gold Standard 2.0, is designed to offer exposure to Bitcoin's upside while keeping gold's traditional stability. It's aimed at investors looking for alternatives in an era of inflation worries and fiat currency concerns. Early adopters can also grab some Gold DAO tokens through a giveaway, building community momentum around the launch. Skeptics will watch how well the hybrid mechanics hold up in practice, but the concept taps into a growing appetite for products that merge old and new stores of value. A digital artist who usually makes music has taken a different route, building a simple first aid guide on internet computer using Caffeine. Drawing on personal experience around emergency services, T3K No Logic created a quick reference guide to help people act safely in moments of medical need. It's not a replacement for professional training, but it offers straightforward advice that can be accessed online when it matters most. This small but practical project shows that blockchain tools can be used for more than finance or entertainment. Sometimes it's the basic, helpful use cases that remind us why open platforms matter. And to close, a quick developer update. The ICP JavaScript SDK has just released version 4, introducing a unified core package, ICP SDK Core. This means no more juggling multiple imports like agent, candid, or identity. They are all under one namespace now. The release also comes with a migration tool that updates projects automatically, making the switch smooth for existing developers. A new documentation portal ties it all together, offering a single reference point for ICP JavaScript tools. Though it doesn't add new features, the update is about clarity, consistency, and easing the onboarding process for developers entering the ecosystem. That's all for this edition of LedgerLife. If you found it useful, don't forget our donation wallet is in the description, along with the links to all our projects discussed today. Supporting us helps keep these stories coming. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.